Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will draw a character in a cartoon style. I will show you how to do it quickly. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. So let's get started. Let's start with a simple sketch. Draw a circle, shrink it, and place it in the center. Turn on Drawing Assistance and Drawing Guide. Outline the jawline. You can erase the bottom line of the circle to avoid clutter. Draw the neckline, outline the collarbones, draw the shirt collar and shoulder line, and mark the seams on the clothes. Outline the jawline, forehead line, eye axis, and nose distance. Then, mark the size of the eyes. Since the character will be cartoonish, the eyes will be enlarged. Draw the overall shape of the hair. Outline the height of the nose and the height of the upper lip. Draw the eyes. Draw the lower eyelid and adjust the overall shape of the eye. Outline the general shape of the eyebrows. Mark the starting point, the curve, and the end. Draw the cornea and pupil of the eye, adding eyelashes. Draw the nostrils and outline the wings of the nose. Add a highlight point and draw the shadow line of the nose. We will move the nose slightly higher. Outline the ear and its inner part. Mark the hairline, draw the lips, and erase the tip. Turn off Drawing Assistance and Drawing Guide. Draw the fold of the upper eyelid. Draw the hair strands. Turn on Drawing Assistance and draw the earrings. Draw an oval, press on the canvas, and smooth the oval. Turn off Drawing Assistance and add moles to the face. Make the sketch layer more transparent. Create a new layer. Choose a dark brown color. Turn on Drawing Assistance on this layer. Carefully outline the lines. Trace all the lines and add details. Turn off the sketch layer. Adjust the lines where necessary. Create a new layer and place it under the line art. Select the line art layer and choose the reference function. This will allow us to fill in the areas of our character quickly. Take a light beige color and start filling the areas of the neck, face, and ears on the new layer under the line art. On a new layer, fill in the whites of the eyes with light blue, the irises with green, and the pupils with almost black. Add another new layer and fill the lips with pink, using a darker shade for the upper lip and a lighter shade for the lower lip. Fill the hair area with yellowish beige color on a new layer. Fill the eyebrows with a darker shade. Choose a bright yellow color and fill in the areas of the earrings on a new layer. On the next new layer, fill in the shirt area with blue. Go to Adjustments and tweak the color by lowering saturation and increasing brightness to make the color more light blue. Change the background color to beige. Add shadows and some details. Above the shirt layer, create a new layer and use a slightly darker color than the shirt's blue. Go along the edge of the shirt, under the collar, and along the sleeve seam. Press on the layer and make it a clipping mask. Add volume to the collar and shadows on the shoulder. Take an even darker blue color and add it to the most shadowed areas. Use light blue and add highlights to the brightest parts, on the collar, shoulder, and along the shirt's edge. Move to the earrings. Press on the layer and select Alpha Lock. Choose the yellow color and make it lighter. Draw highlights. Use a dark yellow color to add shadows. Move to the lips layer and press Alpha Lock. Choose the color of the upper lip and make it darker. Draw the shadowed part on the right side. Then, take the color of the lower lip, make it lighter, and add light areas to the lower lip. Use the smudge tool to blend transitions. Add shadows to the lower part of the lip using a dark color, and draw the highlight zone with a light pink color. Almost white, apply highlights to the center of the brightest areas. Move to the eyes layer. Use a gray-blue color to draw the shadow on the whites of the eyes, falling from the upper eyelid. Select a darker green color than the base iris color and go around the pupil and the iris's edge. Then, take an even darker color and draw a shadow on the iris under the upper eyelid. Add a new layer above the reference layer and draw highlights on the eyes using an almost white color. On a new layer placed above the hair layer, choose a darker shade than the base hair color and fill in some individual strands. Then, repeat this step with a brown color and an even darker shade. Merge the two hair layers. Press on the layer and select Alpha Lock. Use dark brown to add shadow areas in the neck region, behind the earrings, and the ears. Take a brown color and add shadow areas along the parting and some strands. Darken the eyebrows from the middle to the end. Add brown to the tip. Draw highlights on the light strands of hair using light yellow. Add highlight areas on top, leaving space from the parting. Move on to shading the body and face. Choose a darker beige shade and start with the face. Add shadows on the upper eyelid, around the sides of the eyes. under the hairline, and fully on the ears. Shade the entire nose. Use smudge to slightly blend it. Choose an even darker shade and apply it to the most shadowed areas: the middle of the ear, along the hairline, under the nose, and the shadow cast below the nose. Adjust the nose area. Take a light beige color and add a highlight on the nose. Return to the dark beige color and draw the shadow falling on the neck, along the shirt line, and on the collarbones. What a beautiful character we have created. Leave comments with your impressions of the lesson, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our new video lessons. See you next time.